Hello, my babies. So let's go ahead and get started. First things first, drink some water because we all need it for the skin, honey, okay? So for the brows, I am grabbing this Anastasia brow pencil in dark brown, and this is their brow is, and I'm just filling in my brows. Let's just talk about how nice my brows are looking today, okay? It's a good day. It is a good day for real. These just look so nice and cleaned, and I haven't touched them. I haven't got them done, but they look pretty gosh darn good, and I'm not going to get them done. I just thought about it, and I'm like, when I go get them done, they be having me look like a damn naked Mora, and I ain't got time, okay? So to clean up my brows, I am grabbing this KAJA Beauty concealer. Oh, hi, honey. KAJA Beauty concealer, and I'm just going to mix those two shades. All the shades will be in the description box, and this time it will be in the description box. I'm not about to have y'all hanging out there trying to find the shades and they're not there. So this time they will be there, okay? So the reason why I mix those two shades together is because obviously one is brighter than the other one, and I kind of mixed them off because I feel like it was way too bright, but it's all good. It's all good. Once we blend it in, once we put in the foundation, we're set, honey, okay? So don't you worry. So I am just blending the concealer all in so then it's smooth like a butter before I grab my Farsali lip balm. I love this. This is bomb. I already talked about this many times. My lips have been really crusty, and I honestly think I ate something wrong because I'm allergic to something, okay? It's either my lipstick or something is going on with my lips right now. So for under eye cream, I grabbed the OLEHENRIKSEN banana cream. Y'all already know I do this because my under eye is a little puffy, dark circles. We kind of want to take care of that before we apply all the other products on my face. So for primer, I have been loving the new Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Primer, and I'm mixing the illuminating one and the hydrating one. These two together, freaking gold. Gold, okay? First of all, the illuminating one is amazing by itself. It just gives you that glow, and then you also have the hydrating because your girl is dry skin. I just found the best combination ever. Thank me later if you get this product because you're gonna love it, okay? So for foundation, I am grabbing the Fenty Beauty Foundation in the shade 420, and this is the matte one in case you don't know. I'm blending that bad boy all in. I like this foundation. I've realized I don't use their hydrating one, and the only reason why is because that one is a tad bit lighter. Now when I actually go back and think about it, it is a tad bit lighter, but I also heard that the shade ranges on the hydrating one, it's like you have to go a shade up. So I probably have to go to Sephora and get shade matched again because I thought I was a shade 420 in that one, but clearly it's a little too bright, okay? So for concealer, I'm grabbing the same concealer that I used on my brows, and this is the KAJA Beauty concealer, and the shades will be in the description box because I don't have them on me. And I am just going to conceal and highlight all the points that I normally do. My forehead, my nose, and underneath my, on top of my lip. And I'm also going to grab that concealer and bring out my cheekbones a little bit. And, oh, another reason, because some of you guys are new. The reason why I'm taking that lighter one is because just to brighten up my inner corner right there and all the other points. So I don't take that concealer all the way out because it's going to be way too bright, okay? So put in a little bit in the inner corner. It's going to mix together with the other shade that's a little bit closer to my skin tone, and it's going to just brighten up my under eye just the way I love it, okay? So you guys, this week we are hitting y'all, well, I'm hitting you guys with some Valentine content. I do have a Valentine's Day try-on haul for you guys, another, Valentine's Day get ready with me, and that one will be more of like a nighttime glam. This is for brunch, so, if you're going out to brunch, honey, and you want to look cute, this is going to kind of inspire you to kind of, look like this. So for contour, I'm grabbing this Milani concealer. This is the darkest shade that they have. Kind of wish it was a little bit darker, but this one kind of gives me a more subtle contour, more natural, if you'd say, because it's not too dark. So this actually went really perfect with this soft glam look that everybody and their mama have been doing on YouTube. So that's why, I had to go with this concealer to contour with. So I'm just blending that bad boy in, and y'all could actually see the contour. It's not so like out there, but it's still very subtle and nice, and that's why I actually like this shade. So Milani got a new foundation. I need to go grab some drugstore madness, okay? So y'all gonna get a drugstore Valentine's Day makeup tutorial this week, probably with using newer products, because I have not bought any new drugstore product in a long time. So I'm definitely gonna have to do that. Stop over Ulta and grab my hands on that. So I love that brush. I have to point that out. That brush is amazing to contour your nose. So to set everywhere, I have been loving, okay, the Menter Cosmetics setting powder, and this is in the shade light. Yeah, in the shade light. This is actually the lightest one. Now they do have other shades. Now you could use this all over your face as well. I do actually need to use the other powder all over my face so you guys can see if I have not yet used it. But it's such a nice setting powder. I am in love with it. This shade kind of reminds me of the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, and I've been like loving this one, okay? So to set where I contoured, I had to grab my KYLIE Cosmetics bronzer in the shade Tawny Mami, and I'm just going to bronze that bad boy all in. Hopefully I said that right, because you guys, I'm winging this, okay? I don't have the products on me, so I just be knowing the names, kind of be butchering the names, okay? But you know what? You guys get the picture. As long as y'all check the description box, all the details down there will be straight, okay? So for highlight, I am grabbing this KAJA Beauty highlight. Now, KAJA Beauty did send me a lot of products, so I had to use a lot of them today because I wanted to play with them and test it out and see how I feel. If you guys don't know KAJA Beauty, then you're kind of sleeping on them because they have really bomb products, and they do sell their products at Sephora as well. So this highlight, you can see that it's not popping. It's not normally the highlight that I would grab, but for this soft glam look, it definitely did it just the right way, okay? It wasn't beaming, but it was more natural, more softer, you know, kind of melts in your skin really nicely. And I'm glad that it kind of went with this whole look. But on a daily basis, I wouldn't grab this highlight if I was doing a more dramatic look. I like a beaming highlight, okay? So for blush, something new, something different. Okay, I was like, oh, wait a minute, sis. KAJA Beauty, you coming through with some different things, okay? I like this. It's different packaging. I like how it's liquid, then it goes on the skin, and it, you know, settles in as matte, and it's so easy to blend in. It's so cute. The packaging is adorable, okay? So for eyes, I'm grabbing this Natural Love eyeshadow palette from Too Faced. Shout out to my amazing hubby for getting this palette for me without me being with him. I love him. I love him so much. So I had to grab this palette just to represent him, okay? And it's such a beautiful soft glam palette. You can't go wrong with this palette. It has a lot of neutrals, okay? So much neutrals in this palette. So I'm grabbing that shade, the lighter one, working that all over my crease as a transition shade. And I'm also grabbing that more of a darker brown. It does have a little bit of shimmer to it. Up close, you can see it, and I'm just working that on my outer corner of my eyes and blending that bad boy in like so. And also the brushes that I'm using, I'll make y'all job easier. It will be in the description box as well, and the links, so you guys can purchase those. So for the eyes, I wanted to go for the soft glam look. I grabbed more of like a gold, more like a white gold, and just worked that all over my eyelid. And then I wasn't settled with that eyeshadow color, so I went ahead and grabbed a lighter pink and just tapped it on top of my eyes with my finger because of my outfit. I wanted to kind of like, you know, kind of match with it. You guys know I love matching my outfits with my makeup, okay? So yeah, my babe did good with this palette because it went perfect with this whole entire look. This eyeshadow look is so easy to complete. It's super easy. This soft glam looks that have been going around on YouTube, they're so easy to do, okay? So I grabbed that same brown eyeshadow and just worked that underneath my water lash line like so. Just to do the same step I did on top, I'm gonna bring it down to the bottom. So I am grabbing that same pink, and I just popped that in the inner corner of my eye. And I also kind of blended in, not blended, but I mixed it with that, you know, white goldish eyeshadow. So for mascara, I am grabbing this Laura Mercier mascara. My lashes are nowhere to be found, so I'm very picky with the mascara that I use. This is not bad, but for some reason, I love the Laura Mercier telescopic mascara, and that's drugstore, because of the wand is a little bit slimmer, smaller, and it's able to like bring my lashes out. The big wandas for me, they do not bring my lashes out that much, okay? I don't know if you guys can relate, girls who have smaller lashes. They just don't do me justice. It just doesn't, okay? So for lashes, I have been liking this Tati lashes, and this is in the style TL4, and I'm just gonna pop that bad boy on there. I discovered Tati lashes because they sent over, you know, some lashes my way. So I've been using them and they are amazing. They're really, really good. You guys know I'm crazy for Cocoa lashes, but these ones are pretty good too. And they're having a sale going on. Extra 30% off, girl. So, period. So for lips, I am grabbing this lip pencil from NYX, and I'm just working this all over my lips. And for lip gloss, I am grabbing this pink lip gloss from Mented. And girl, watch out, Mami, watch out. This look is completed. Soft glam who? Me, okay? This is what you, girl, this is soft glam on deck. So to set everything all in, I'm grabbing this Tatcha Dewy, bitch. We're going all the way dewy on your skin, and I'm so sorry to cuss. But girl, that just slipped out of my lips. You know when you look cute and stuff, just everything comes out of your lips that don't need to come out, okay? So I just want to show y'all the completed look. Slay for these, period. I'm not gonna say it, but for outfit, y'all already know I had to kill it. This two-piece outfit from Hot Miami Styles came through. I also rocked it with this boohoo white purse, okay? And I had to bring the bougie jacket. This that rich bitch jacket, okay? That rich girl. Stop, girl. Okay, I'm done. So this is it for this look, my loves. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As usual, I love y'all so much. Now, pena sana. And I will see you guys in my next Valentine's Day video. All right, bye.